We're looking at a Civil War era map of the state of Texas by Johnson. It was printed and published in 1864 by Johnson and Ward. Those two names were only together for just a very brief period in the middle of the 19th century as the A.J. Johnson firm evolved. It's a lithographed map with original hand color. As you can see, it's a clean, attractive-looking example. There are many different versions of this map as the state evolved rapidly at this time, so each year has a different version. This particular example here has a couple tiny little, short little splits along the centerfold. Someone has done a beautiful job of backing this fold line here with paper, and when we open the map up, we can see that the overall visual appeal of it is absolutely fine, and it's currently available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.